Magandang umaga, mga kaibigan at mga followers ng aking YouTube channel, vlog. Ngayong umaga naman ay unboxing po ulit tayo. This time, this is a very good gift of my beloved wife sa akin. Dahil luma na daw ang aking ginagamit na running shoes. Okay, so simulan na po natin. This is, as you know, the shoes na famous for brand Nike. And tip sa inyo, we got this for 50% sa kanilang Nike outlet in SBMA. Yan. Okay. Wow. This is Nike Reacts. Nice, Okay ba? Okay, good luck to me. Hopefully, many kilometers I will be able to run with this. Thank you, everyone. See you.